అందమైన కుందన బొమ్మను కళ్యాణమాడగరామయ్యా పుస్తలను పచ్చని కానుక తెచ్చెను చూడయ్యా
సొంతమైన అందాల రాముని కళ్యాణమాడగ సీతమ్మ సిగ్గులను మూటగా కట్టుకు తెచ్చెను చూడమ్మా జీలకర్ర బెల్లమును చెరగని ఒట్టు అని ఒకటిగా మారుతున్నారే
That's the phone, yeah.
And any phone nahi le rahi hu. He's not even finishing crying. Completely full crying.
And why am I in a uniform? I am finished with my simulator training.
This is like 6th floor. This freaking thing is like 6 floors and there's no lift. I had to run. Like I said, easy breezy win for the first game. Thank you. అరే అయితే క్యాప్టెన్ ఎవరు ఉన్నాక ఎట్లా గెలుస్తాం రా మేము మళ్ళీ బౌలింగ్ వెళ్తాం మేము ఇండియన్ టీం రా
And let's start preparing aircraft for a flight. Go somewhere else.
The two brothers masala will work only when both the brothers are in the same frame.
Welcome back, boys and girls, to Two Brother Vlog. It's been a really long time since.
What's popping YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and thank you one and all for all the 50,000 subscribers.
1000.
Yeah, that was really
Oh.
quick, and we never really expected that we will reach this milestone.
This fast.
This fast, yeah. We never
All
expect-
thanks to you guys.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for bearing us. Thank you for supporting us.
Yeah, like we started this channel in the lockdown, so or pretty much it's before that it was only 4 videos about aviation which I made, which were the only reason why I started this channel for the aviation. Those 4 videos, and then I didn't have any plans of actually going forward. But I don't know what happened. The lockdown, unfortunately.
And
But-
because of the lockdown, time pata nahi kaise it went past by. It's already December. Yeah, 2020 is almost done.
Crazy year.
The cursed year. मैं cursed year में नहीं बोल सकता हूँ.
Yeah, it was-
the roller coaster year is almost done.
Too much of changes in this year. Variables.
And
Like
talking about 2020, Agastya was born on 5th Jan. So pura घूम के it's almost 1 year.
Yeah.
His 1 year birthday is almost near
we're
now.
just 1 month away from his first birthday
So
almost.
even that was really quick. Expect नहीं किया था. And tomorrow morning, Agastya is not here.
He's been not here for the last 20 days. In fact, this is the first time Shraddha has been away from me for such a long time. She hasn't been to her house since the time Aggie was born.
Before that, way before that as well.
Way before that as well. So she taken Aggie to her parents' place.
It's been more than 20 days.
20 days.
Both of them are not home.
And we miss them really, guys.
So
And
tomorrow morning, Rohit and me, both of us, car में जा रहे हैं to Gulbarga to pick her up. So
we'll be back by the evening again.
yeah.
But-
सुबह जाके शाम में आ जाएंगे.
But you know, let's see one thing. It's been such a long time. He hasn't seen you for 20 days for sure. He hasn't seen me for about 15 days. Do you think he'll remember us?
He'll forget me. But
I don't
we
know.
look similar, so
Let's see. We'll take the camera and let's see his reaction tomorrow. That'll be the different video. But this video, abhi kya kar rahe hain? We really wanted to thank you guys for this 50,000 love, and love you guys 50,000 as well.
Appa. I love you 50,000.
Abhi,
And because it's 1 year birthday of Agastya, and generally people celebrate 1 year birthdays. People generally celebrate birthdays,
Birthdays.
but 1 year birthday is
not after you reach my age.
birthday is just another day.
Another day. It's for boys. It is like that. For women, nah. It is a
Not-
very,
not
very,
exactly just another
very
day.
special day for most of the women.
If a birthday is approaching, I go into panic mode because everyone will be flocking behind me and they're asking, "Arey bhai, party de, party de."
And these
party
parties
de,
are expensive.
Party de.
And you know what? It's been such a long time since I vlogged that my hand is actually hurting catching the camera.
So we are going to check out few banquet halls for the first year function. It's mandatory, yeah, it's compulsory.
Yeah.
Because
Again,
even
COVID
during-
times, I think they'll be restricting the number of people to about 100,
And
110.
my dad's family is a very big family.
My dad's got 6 sisters.
7 sisters. No? 7 sisters.
6 sisters.
6, sorry. Dad has a lot of sisters. उनके बच्चे. None of them have properly met Agastya.
Yeah.
So थोड़ा lockdown भी थोड़ा ease हो गया, and you have a limit of inviting 120 people to the hall. So that's what we are planning to do. A small छोटा सा function for Agastya on Jan 5th.
So I have actually kind of shortlisted one hall. Abhi Srujan ko I'll take him, pay the advance and kind of book that hall. So that is the program for today. We'll go there. I'll show you guys the hall as well. So
I'm sorry, we cannot. The cut there was because we were discussing about whether to tell you the hall or not. We are not going to tell you the hall, but we're going to show you the hall. So I guess pretty much
yeah.
everyone in Hyderabad will recognize it.
So abhi we'll just go see the hall. We'll also finalize the menu.
Yes, we've already decided on what to get, but we have to go to the hall, check it, pay the advance, and finalize. Yeah.
But I'm excited to meet Aggie tomorrow. Yeah, it's been long. And
For me, it's like bees din, dude.
yeah, and
And-
both of us before Aggie, we had no connection to kids. Like
And Gar was always this silent
place.
No shor sharaba. Only I used to play little loud music. Even Shraddha used to play loud music. Except for that, there was no shor sharaba in the house. वो आने के बाद it's top lechipan.
And seriously, kids are a different breed. Like they have so much energy, which we as elders.
Okay.
Chalo, it's time.
It's getting dark. It's almost
already
5
5 o'clock. And it feels like as if it's already 6:30 in the evening. Eh?
So it's getting dark. Let's go into the car. Vlog जो भी होगा, we'll show you the hall and all. तब तक के लिए bye.
See you in the car, guys. And I wanted to show you this. Hey, not this one. This over-smart dog. He hates it when we go out.
She cannot climb.
She cannot climb. She's too fat to climb. Buffalo jumped. Hey, oldie, come here. And he doesn't like us going out of the house. You know, he sits there. He you know, it depends. At times he goes under the car. Now the fellow needs a ride. Srijan? And this is Brownie.
Community kutta.
Yeah. You know what? A very, very sad story happened with this girl here. She was a mother of 5 puppies very recently, as in October. And as soon as the puppies were born, 3 of them expired and 2 survived. And our great human race is such, we celebrated Diwali in spite of all the government norms and everything, right? And both the other dogs as well died because of heart attack.
Bye.
And look at them, Srujan and my dogs. So this fellow, literally on the day of Diwali, all dogs are really scared of crackers, guys. I don't know, you know, it's been like, I don't know, since the time we have been having dogs, we realized that and we stopped bursting crackers. We had 2 dogs before Whiskey and Fenny. So since then, I think about 19-20 years now, we haven't celebrated Diwali. And this poor chap, Brownie, she actually came in front of the house and she fainted right here. It was, we were devastated, like, you know, we didn't understand what happened to her. She was crying, sobbing. But the next day I and Shraddha went and we saw the puppies were dead, like not moving. Doctor took them to the vet. Heart attack, crackers, sound, not good for dogs, not good for the environment. So we should stop polluting. Chalo, my dogs are gone for a ride. Once they are back, I think we'll get going. It's already 5:15 now. Eesh.
Buglu. Nakun bahar hai, they're scratching me, they're poking me. Lena, keep the camera down. अरे दांत नहीं है रे तेरे को.
Plan cancelled. Dad was like, let's go another day. So there's apparently too much stuff. He has just come back and he was like, don't go now, go another day. So we're not going to make the payment. But yeah, the hall is booked. The menu is fixed. We've done that over the phone. Only what's left is making the payment. It's actually 5:40, so it's been like 30 minutes since the last I spoke to you guys. So in the meantime, we finished all the other stuff. And also, आज Big Basket का order आया मेरा कचरा. I don't know how many of you guys know this, but I'm a huge junk food lover. And I ordered on Big Basket all this of only junk. It was sanitized finally by mom and got inside. And secret, all of you guys know that I'm an Italian food lover. And there's one more junk. Like, you can actually kidnap me over it. You can put a trail of popcorn and I'll follow it to wherever it is. And like, I'm a huge popcorn lover as well. So we popcorn banaya and iced tea बनाऊंगा. And जाके I think I'll play a little bit of Age of Empires. And उसके बाद in about mom and dad are actually heading out to a function. Family में किसी का है. I and Srujan will be going out for dinner. So that is the program now. This is fixed. So Age of Empires, out for dinner, edit the vlog video, post it for tomorrow, then start in the morning to Gulbarga. This is the program. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.
Music.
That's the new Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition. I and Srujan are mad about this game. We've been playing Age of Empires since I think 1999? Age of Empires 1. I've never played Age of Empires 3. Age of Empires 2 Conquerors, and then we've come to the Definitive Edition.
We're still playing it. This is the new one.
Yeah, this is with better graphics and all. People who want to see the gameplay of this, we will make a separate video of it. So basically it is like you build your town, you conquer the enemies, and yeah, you basically...
I'm waiting for you to join because I can set it up.
Okay, sorry. Multiplayer. Dude, these are yummy.
Yesterday we did play this game. Yesterday, day before yesterday. Sunday ko we played this game. We played for 4 hours.
4 hours,
4 minutes. एक game.
So it's a marathon of a game. It goes on like literally forever.
And you don't want to get up or save it and play afterwards. You just want to go it.
The time just flies by. Like,
I'm pretty sure घर पे कोई नहीं है for dinner, and we both of us planned to go out and have something, but because we are starting this game right now, I'm pretty sure we will Swiggy it off.
dude, it'll go out, yeah. These new players, you know, we ordered food from there the last time. It's a pizzeria. Me, obviously, pizzeria. And they make amazing handmade pizza here. We fell in love. As in, the delivery pizza was really good. Kind of expensive for the Sainipuri area, but if possible, we'll go there today.
Let's see. They also have wheat based bases. So I'm going to order that. And less
Let's
cheese.
see. Let's go there. We'll go there, please. Okay, I am ready. Chalo then.
What? More? See you
Bye.
after some time. Bye.
See? We told you. The game doesn't get over. We actually... Mir is here. We are going down. And we are going out for dinner. But the game is not over yet. It is... The heat of the battle is just about to start. Surge! Let's go! Chalo, we'll see you guys in the car in a minute.
What's up? Hi.
You know who that is? It's Mir. He's been not on vlogs for a very long time.
Without the beard.
Yeah. How does he look? So how's your training going on? How many hours are you done with?
Not bad, not bad. Almost halfway done.
Uh-huh.
So, should be done by 15th, 16th.
So again, for the people who don't remember, Mir is also doing his captain training. And he started his training before me. But because of... In fact, his training started before the lockdown. Mine just stopped before that. So, uska start hua, and then after the lockdown opened, he didn't fly until when? November starting?
Yes.
Yeah, so he was on the ground for 8 months because of lack of trainers and lack of flying. And he works for Indigo. So he didn't fly for the last 8 months. And November is when he's restarted his training. And finally, he's almost halfway through. And probably both of us will be getting or completing the training.
1-2 हफ्ता आगे पीछे.
हाँ,
just
1-2
about
weeks
that.
आगे पीछे. So both friends, buddies, we became first officers at the same time. And
We
hopefully
become
captains
captain.
at the same time. That's a nice thing.
Yo.
And look at this fellow drive. Yeah, he's bored of us.
जो तुम लोग हवा में करते हो मैं रोड पे करता हूँ.
क्या करता है तू रोड पे?
क्या करता है?
We don't drive a plane, no.
Same thing.
So
आसमान के ऊपर हो तुम.
आसमान के ऊबर
Oh,
चलेगा यार, as long as it pays us. What say Mir?
exactly.
Uber हो, कोई भी हो, Ola हो.
At the end of the day, the money in the bank account first को क्या गिरता है वो important है ना ज़्यादा.
Without the cuts.
Without the cuts.
Deep cuts.
अरे
Thanks to our
beloved friend
neighbors.
China का माल. So chalo guys, we are heading to this restaurant called Roy's Pizzeria. and we'll go there and talk to you guys again. Military area, no more vlogging here. Bye bye. So that is a margarita pizza. And sir, what is your name?
My name is Roy.
Roy. And so, when did you start this place?
I started just after lockdown on July 14th.
So we actually have a channel called Two Brother Vlogs.
Okay.
Are actually mostly into motorcycles and all.
Okay.
We've ordered your pizza a few times.
Okay.
We loved it. He actually stays in Ved Bihar,
Okay.
and he's the one who's actually recommended this place. And what is your secret behind these pizzas?
Love. An ingredient.
Uh-huh.
Ingredients are very important.
Oh, we really
You don't
love-
get the regular maida, the regular tomatoes, the regular cheese.
Uh-huh.
The tomatoes are from Italy, the cheese is from Denmark.
Wow.
The flour is wheat flour, specially Swiss formulated. It's Indian, but it's not the norm. It's 00 flour, very fine.
Okay, perfect.
That makes a lot of difference. We use extra virgin olive oil,
Uh-huh.
not the local one.
Your pizzas are like, you have to visit this place, guys. It's called Roy's Pizzeria. I'll drop a pin for this location in the comments below.
We are open from 3 to 11, but Mondays is a holiday.
So you heard it from the man, yeah. All right, thank you, Roy, for this pizza.
Yes.
So we are back home from the pizza dinner date.
This is a beautiful, what do you call that? Display picture, Antara, for the video
Thumbnail.
thumbnail. Yes.
No, we'll keep the pizza base as thumbnail. we were celebrating our 50k thing and all. The pizza was good. It was great. Mediterranean,
Mediterranean and the margaritas are must try at that place.
and the garlic bread too. The chef over there, he himself is the owner of that place. Do check out, guys. Check out the description for the location of that place as well. It's quite far from the city. If you live in and around Sainikpuri, Tirmalgiri area,
It's a great.
it's a great place. Yeah.
And chalo, this is where we gotta say bye bye because we need to edit. It's already 10 in the night.
And tomorrow morning we have to.
Yeah, we've always been awake since 5 in the morning.
So tomorrow morning we have to wake up early around 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning and drive to Gulbarga. So until then,
Till the next time, we'll
Peace.
see you.
Bye.
Bye.